And greetings and respect. Muhammad Suleiman Ahmadzai is here with a new session for you friends. The title of our lesson topic for you is how to change desktop icon sizes. How can we change the size of desktop icons together? We have several methods for this, and I will explain all of them to you. The first method is using keyboard shortcuts. If we want to change their size, there are 3 sizes available. For example, there is large, medium, and small. If we want to use the largest size, we press Ctrl, Shift, and 2. This will set the icon size to large. If we press Ctrl, Shift, and 3, the size will become medium. If we press Ctrl, Shift, and 4, Ctrl, Shift, 4, the size will become small. By default, it's set to Ctrl, Shift, 3, or the medium size. The second way you can change their size is by right-clicking on a page. We go into this context menu. Here we have something called View. Here we have different sizes. If we select Small, the size becomes smaller. But if we choose Medium, it becomes medium-sized. If we select Large icon, the icons become bigger. Can we make them even bigger than this size or not? Yes, we can make them even bigger than these if we want. So what do we do in Windows? In Windows, we hold down the Control key along with the mouse wheel. In other words, you see that we have a button or a scroll bar, which we actually call the mouse wheel. Now, if we hold down Control and scroll the mouse wheel, the size will become as small as we want. And if we scroll in the opposite direction, you'll see that the size becomes much larger. So, if we want, we can use the mouse wheel to increase or decrease the size to any level we desire. If we want, we can also use this system. But the shortcut method is Ctrl plus Shift plus 4 is for small, Ctrl plus Shift plus 3 is considered medium, and Ctrl plus Shift plus 2 is used for large icons. Looking forward to seeing you in the next sessions. Goodbye. And finally, we kindly ask you, dear friends, if you found the videos helpful, please like the videos to support us and help the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next sessions. Goodbye.